me show you my heart. Let me sing you.
It's wet and overcast today. Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Wednesday, 29th of April, and it's cold. Well, it's not real cold, it's overcast, and we've had a lot of rain. We've had about 20 millimetres on the rain gauge overnight, so that's a good drop. So, forecast was we're supposed to get rain in the next few days, and could possibly be on the weekend. I'm not sure, but it's going to be raining right up till Friday, as far as I know. So I'm glad I raked up all the grass yesterday. So it's looking good. I did all that. I wanted to do that yesterday before we do get more rain. So yeah. Anyway, now today, 29th of April. Now I worked it out that today marks I think it was 52 years since my darling Sandra, Sister Sandra, passed away on this day. Sandra Joy. She was born in 1966, and that was on July the 3rd. Then she passed away on April 29th, 1967. So she was only 9 months old. She lived a very short life. So today she would be 51 years of age. So she would have turned 52 in July. So so today commemorates my darling sister Sandra. It's 50. Works out about 52 years ago. Yes. So that's my darling sister Sandra, and she died of gastro. I can't get the word right. Gastroenteritis or whatever like this. It's gastro anyway. And Gary, my Blake brother, he died as well on the same thing, but he died. I think it was the year just before Sandra died. So they never met. Brother Gary and Sandra, Sister Sandra, they never met because Sandra was born after Gary died. Yeah. So, yeah. God bless her, Sandra. So, what do we do? Well, we can always remember it. And I was only a little then, when I held her in my arms. So anyway, I've done my community driving this morning. I've taken ladies shopping and I took them back. Now I've got to go this afternoon. I've got to do another trip. So I've got another trip, a gentleman, to take him shopping today instead of tomorrow, because it's going to get more rain tomorrow, I think. So it's going to be hectic tomorrow with rain. So anyway, so that's that. And yeah, we've had a lot of rain. Yeah. Now I've just been community driving. I've had a busy day today, so I've had another call out around about lunchtime. So I've got another busy day tomorrow. So I've had a busy week so far with it. So things are picking up actually. Let's have a look at the rain gauge. 22. We've had 22 mils of rain. 22, yes. Yes, it's very overcast, and we're going to get a lot more. So, just as well I gathered up the grass yesterday. It would have been a dirty job if I did it today. I wanted to do it before it rained, so yeah, that's good. So in about 3 weeks, I'd give it another 3 weeks. Hang on, get out of this weather. I think it's going to rain any minute. It's very windy out here. I'll give it another 3 weeks before I'll be mowing again. I'll see if I give it 2 weeks and I'll look at it. Very windy, it's quite windy, gusty out here. I think we might be in for a thunderstorm. I don't know. A bit dark in here, isn't it? Oh, that's better. Yeah. That's better. How's that? Yeah. Get the light behind. Okay. Yeah. So, I've had a busy day. I've had a busy week, really, with community driving. And things are picking up, really. Work is picking up because we're getting a lot more clients. And I think in the next couple of weeks, the restrictions will be lifted. Hopefully. Well, they're saying that it's going to be lifted. New South Wales, people in New South Wales, which is the next state, I think they're going to be lifted this Friday, end of this week, I think. So, but look, if they're going to be lifted, why not Victoria? Yeah, so things will get back to normal, hopefully. I reckon by June, everything will be back to normal. Just keep our fingers crossed. So, anyway. Oh, now. Now, what am I going to make you? I know I'm not doing a milkshake Trev. Not here yet, but he will be in a couple of weeks' time. So I'm just going to do a quick milkshake. A quick one. Yeah, without using the blender. I won't be using the blender, so I'm going to take 2 teddy bear biscuits, the chocolate ones. Yeah, chocolate teddy bear biscuits. And we need marshmallows, some little fantasy marshmallows, and dollop cream, and some sprinkles, milk. That's about it. And peppermint ice cream as well. Chocolate chips in it as well. So, let's get to it here. Teddy bear biscuits. What we do with teddy bear biscuits, I'm going to put them in here. In this little lock-up bag. And you know what I'm going to do. Yes. I'm going to crush the crap out of them. As much as you can. Something fell in them. Got the vibration of the sink. Crush them to crap. Make sure all the pieces are absolutely crushed. Do it this way. A few bits and pieces here and there. Yeah, completely crush them up. Right, now that's all done. I might get a few bits, that's okay, it's fine. And I'm going to use a blender. This is a hand blender, a shaker. What's it called? A protein shaker. Well, it doesn't really matter. You can have a protein shaker or whatever you like. So, I'm going to put all this in here. In there. All the crushed teddy bear biscuits. Sorry kids. I had to crush up the teddy bears. Okay, now what's next? Milk. Now, I'm using milk. I'm just gonna guess the volume of this. Probably about 2 cups of milk. I'm only judging this. I'll go about there. That'll do. Yes. So I'm only guessing this one. And some ice cream. This is mint ice cream. Did I say peppermint before? This is mint ice cream. It is really nice. So I'm just going to use 1 scoop of that. 1 scoop. We'll put that back. Otherwise the ice cream will be melting. So what are we going to do next? Trev. Now we've got all that in there, and I'm going to mix it up. We've got a little bowl, comes with the blender. That helps it to blend. So put that in there. And I'm going to put that on there. Remember that song? That pop song? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Let it shake the crap out. Exercise. One good thing about these blenders is it's got a little cup on the end. I don't know what it is. Could be a lid for that too as well when you're transporting. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the spout, put some of this crap in there. Okay, now I'm just emptying that a little bit, and I'm going to shake it again. Because it was too full, it's hard to shake when it's full. So when you've got about a half or something like that, it's easier. I think that's about it. So I'm going to take all that off. Didn't think I was going to get the top off. So I'm going to put that in there. Okay, put it in there. And I'm just going to use dollop cream. You're watching Frank. Cream. I'm not using the other whipped cream. I'm just about finished with that. I'm going to put. I've used that. I did buy some more cream. Dollop cream is good. So I'm going to put some more on. Just put it all on top there. Top it up. Oh yeah. Yes. And I'm going to put some marshmallows in here. Got a blue one, a star. I might put another one in there. Yep. And you know what? I'm going to put a teddy bear biscuit in there. Look at that. And some sprinkles. Sprinkles in there. Some of them anyway. And I've got to look for my straw. I dropped the straw. Here it is. So how's that? I don't know what we call it. Teddy bear biscuits. Milkshake. A quick teddy bear biscuit mint milkshake. How's that? I want to wish you, Ignatius Cowboy, a very happy birthday. Good on you, Ignatius. Ignatius had a birthday yesterday. I think it was yesterday, was it? Okay. I hope I got your name right. Yeah. This is the milkshake you must make. It's what sort of a made up milkshake. And I hope you had a great day. And you can have and celebrate again today, Ignatius. Ignatius? Is that the right? Yeah. He wanted me to do a shout out, so I'd make a milkshake. Oh, I'm spilling it all. It's nice. I've made a mess. I made a mess, yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ignatius Cowboy. Happy birthday to you. And I hope you're having a great day. You can eat the teddy bear biscuit. And this is from me Trev. Yes, me Trev. Oh. Not bad. Yeah, we got it. A thunderstorm. It's really coming down. Look at this. It's really coming down. Now, before I finish this vlog, I hope you enjoyed. And I just want to do some shout outs too. Of course, we've done a shout out to Ignatius Cowboy. It's his birthday. Thank you, Ignatius. And these the shout outs, these subscribers to my channel, they comment on my channel. So the more you comment, the more I can do the shout outs too as well. The smaller half, thank you, the smaller half. And of course, they do taste tests on products, food products, and doing a little bit of gardening, working on some plants, that is. So thank you, smaller half. And Robert Devon Smith, you're awesome. You're awesome, Robert. And you can go to his channel, Robert the Mole Smith. Let's go to that. And Karen, for you, thank you, Karen. You're making me very, very cold over there with all your snow over there in Iowa. Greetings over there in Iowa, US. And Frank Mackay, thank you for the shout out on your last vlog. Thank you for that. Yes. And Mountain View Turning, that's a channel. Mountain View, now I have to get it right. Mountain View Turning. Now this guy makes wood, out of wood. He makes things like, you know, makes out of wood turning. He makes bowls, you know, out of all sorts of items, and it's an awesome channel. You ought to go to it. He's really awesome. He makes a lot of good stuff. You'll be astounded at what he makes. That's Mountain View Turning. And also NJP Vlogs, go to Rick, go to that channel. He does live streaming. So if you subscribe to his channel and join his live stream. I get on live stream sometimes too as well. So if you get on his live stream, he's out in America at Wisconsin State, thank you, in Wisconsin. And of course Rick from the NJP Vlogs is a commentator for car racing as well. So at Tomar Raceway, yeah, shout out to the Tomar Raceway. Yes, good on you guys. And so that's it. If I missed out, please let me know. There's so many subscribers, and I've got new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And also, oh yes, Ignatius Callboy, I did a shout out. I don't know how many times I said that. Anyway, and of course next week, Milkshake Trev will be returning next week. Next Wednesday, I'll be making you the Mother's Day milkshake. Yeah. And of course today on this channel, today I did the milkshake. It was only a small milkshake, a quick one for Ignatius for his birthday. Yeah. So of course I do the milkshakes once a month. That's the monthly program. Now, sorry about that. My battery ran out of my camera. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog, and as I said, well, I'll be doing uploads every Wednesday each week. So my next upload will be next Wednesday. So don't forget, this weekend, check out on Trev's music channel for my next video clip. Yeah. So anyway, enjoy the rest of your week and the weekend. I shall see you next Wednesday. Don't forget, Milkshake Trev will be coming along to make your milkshake. So create harmony, peace, bye. You never know what I get up to next. Bye.
I feel I'm beyond the heavens, the Lord, He's my bar. I'll sing you my song